Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need clear prerequisites before you build momentum. First, pick a niche that has real buyers and precise intent, because traffic without intent wastes time. Once chosen, set up your site or creator channel and configure domain, hosting, or platform account so you own the destination. Then register with 1 to 3 affiliate programs and retrieve tracking links. This gets you ready to capture commissions. Make sure tracking works now, not later, so analytics begin collecting data from day one. Now execute the middle steps where results appear. You must produce a mix of high-intent posts and review content. Aim for 10 focused assets to test messaging. Once done, drive traffic via SEO, short-form video, and targeted paid ads so you don't depend on a single source. Make sure each asset includes persuasive CTAs and a simple funnel, opt-in, value, affiliate offer, and run a /B tests on headlines and offers. This process lets you measure conversion rates and iterate toward profitable combinations. Finish by scaling what works and fixing what doesn't. You should scale winning campaigns 2 to 5 times and shift budget to top performers while keeping ROI targets. Also optimize conversions by improving page speed, adding trust signals, and reducing unnecessary clicks so fewer visitors drop off. If things go wrong, troubleshoot tracking and attribution first. Broken links or misconfigured pixels often hide poor performance. Then check creative fatigue and rotate assets. Keep measuring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.